A flat. An old flat. A big flat. Clothes. Old clothes. New clothes. Beautiful. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful clothes. A garden. An old garden. A beautiful garden. Cheap. A cheap watch. A cheap ring. Expensive. An expensive car. Expensive clothes. Have. This is my cat. My cat is black. I have a black cat. Our garden is beautiful. We have a beautiful garden. Our neighbor's car is expensive. Our neighbors have an expensive car. Your clothes are beautiful. You have beautiful clothes. Your flat is small. You have a small flat. Our bikes are cheap. We have cheap bikes. Has. Her grandmother's garden is beautiful. Her grandmother has a beautiful garden. That swimmer's clothes are expensive. That swimmer has expensive clothes. My daughter's paints are cheap. My daughter has cheap paints. Our friend's flat is quiet. Our friend has a quiet flat. To have. I have. You have. They have. You have. We have. He, she, it, hers. Her boyfriend has expensive clothes. Their parents have a beautiful flat. Those taxi drivers have cheap cars. The singer has a beautiful garden. Their flat is cheap. They have a cheap flat. The doctor's garden is beautiful. The doctor has a beautiful garden. His girlfriend's clothes are expensive. His girlfriend has expensive clothes.